In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run a data shuttle workflow in Smartsheet. To get started, make sure you're opening Smartsheet with the right plan or permissions. This is important because Data Shuttle is only available when your account includes access to it, and if your permissions are too limited, some options may not appear. So before you begin, confirm that you can access the Tools area where premium apps and integrations are available. That will save time and prevent confusion later. Once you're inside Smartsheet, head over to Data Shuttle or open the Apps area where Smartsheet add-ons are listed. Depending on your account layout, you may see Data Shuttle directly, or you may need to open it from the Launcher or App menu. The goal here is simply to get into the Data Shuttle workspace, where you can build and manage your workflows. After Data Shuttle opens, the next step is to create a new workflow. At this point, you'll usually choose whether you want to set up an upload workflow or an offload workflow. An upload workflow is used when you want to bring data from a file into a Smartsheet sheet. An offload workflow is used when you want to send data out from Smartsheet to another destination. Choose the option that matches what you're trying to accomplish. From there, select your source file, your target sheet, or your destination, depending on the workflow type you picked. This is one of the most important setup stages because the workflow depends on the correct connection between where the data is coming from and where it's going. Take a moment to verify that you're choosing the right file and the correct sheet or output location, especially if you manage multiple projects with similar names. Next, map the fields correctly. This means matching the columns from your source data to the corresponding columns in Smartsheet, or the other way around if you're offloading data. Accurate field mapping ensures your information lands in the right place and keeps your sheet clean and usable. If the column names are similar but not identical, review them carefully rather than assuming they match automatically. Once everything looks right, save the workflow and run it. Running the workflow applies the setup you just created and starts moving the data according to your configuration. After it finishes, it's a good idea to quickly review the results so you can confirm that the data transferred properly. And that's how to create and run a data shuttle workflow in Smartsheet.